Hi everyone, welcome to today's Geeks for Geeks problem of the day, which is find duplicates in an array. In today's question, we are given an array with size n, which contains elements from 0 to n minus 1. Okay, now here we have to return the duplicate numbers present in that array in ascending order in a sorted format. And if no duplicate number are present, then return minus 1. Cool. Now there's some catch that the size will be n and the elements will be 0 to n minus 1. Okay. Along that, there is a note that extra space is only for the array to be returned. Cool. And we have to do the operations in the given array only and not create any other array, which may be done, may be done. So we will see what we can do. So first of all, I'll create a set. Okay, I'll create a set. Now I will traverse first of all in the array in the range of n. So in the entire array, I will store. Okay. After this, I will again traverse in the array, but add elements. Now this is the main operation. Okay, we are doing in place operations. Cool. So I will just shift the elements to one position. Here I'm shifting the elements to the one position, except when it is zero. Okay, and after shifting, I will store them in the resultant number, not append. Add since it is set, not array. So okay. After that, if like they are not less than zero, they are greater than zero, then I will just make them negative or positive. Okay, based on what they are. And yeah, now here our operation is complete. We have just finished what we have to do. We have shifted them if they're less than zero or more than zero. We have ordered them and we have find the duplicates. Duplicate is simply like we are using set for the same. Now, if the after all this, since we created the set, created an empty set, if it is still empty, which means ki there is no duplicate element present in the given array, then we will just return minus one. Okay, but if that's not the case, I mean there were duplicate array, so we will return this result set will be created, but in a sorted format because it is asked to return the answer in a ascending order. Cool. Now I will just compile it. And yes, since this given example array does not contain any duplicate number, so the expected output should be minus one, and which is our output also. And now I'll submit it, and yeah, it's able to it is doing the job. So if you like the video, if you understood the concept, please like it, and you can even share it with your friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.